Okay, welcome to question number 7 of your test. My question says, which of the following statements is true? So whenever I see figures and I'm trying to see if they're similar, I'm always going to do my highlighting first. Now to me, I always say, well, there's a right angle. Let me go ahead and highlight what's directly across. Over here on this triangle, angle Y is a right angle, so I'm going to highlight across. Now these may not look like they're corresponding, but it's because my angles are flipped and turned. That's why it's super important to pay attention to your angles. Now, you might be thinking, well, AB goes with YZ, obviously. But let's check the angles just to make sure this isn't a trick. I see that I have a 37 right here. Angle C is 37. Well, the side that is opposite 37 is AB. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight AB. I'm going to come over here and I see 37 is angle Z. So the side that is across from angle Z is XY. So if you didn't pay attention to the angles, this question right here tricked you, okay? So you want to be super careful to look at the information they give you before you decide to see what your answer is. Okay, so it says, which of the following statements is true? So I'm going to look at answer choice A. AB is the pink. Now I like to write the color just because it kind of helps me out so that I know if I'm correct. BC, it's the blank one, so I'm going to put a W there for white. So in my small triangle, I'm comparing pink to white. So over here, I should be comparing pink to white on the large triangle. So YZ is white, and XY is pink. Well, these guys are flip-flopped. They switched them. So if they're not in the correct order, I can't use that. That's not a true statement. So let's look at number 2. AC is yellow, and XZ is pink. Now, I already know that this AC is on the little triangle, or sorry, the first triangle. This is the big one. They're actually switched because I'm used to the first one being the big. Okay, so yellow, AC is yellow over XZ, which is yellow. So I'm comparing yellow to yellow over here. Well, let's check the other side. BC is going to be right here, and it's the white one, and XY is pink. Well, if these are both yellow, then these both need to be the same colors. So because I have 2 missing colors there, that answer choice cannot be true. Let's look at C. BC, which is this guy right here, he's white. I'm going to put a W. YZ is also white. So that's okay. Now if I come over here, AC is yellow. It's this guy right here. And XZ is also yellow. So that one looks good, but I'm not going to just stop there because I like to check all my answers. On D, it says AB. AB is pink. AC is yellow. So this is pink to yellow. Over here on the second triangle, XY is pink. And YZ is white. Well, the pinks match, but a yellow and white don't match. So I confirmed that I was correct, and my answer was C.